Hi everybody, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Windows 11 installation media or how to create the bootable USB for Windows 11. You will get the URL of this website in description. So under create Windows 11 installation media, click download. Once it's done, just run it. First step, accept. Before that, make sure you have plugged the USB. Selection of language will be taken automatically from your existing OS. Then click next. We will select USB. The downloading will start now. Once you get this message, that means your bootable device for Windows 11 is ready. Just click finish and it will take a few minutes to finalize the process. And that's it. We will cross check, and here you can see the all installation files are there. In the next video, we will install the Windows 11 from this bootable USB. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.